Okay, we track assets and location work orders. So asset, if I look at my asset registry here, there's a Ford truck that is a mobile asset. We open it up, edit the actual asset itself. You can see here, this truck has been assigned to a staff personnel, myself, Steve Kyriakis. So we post here, this user's GPS location will be tracked to display the asset on a live map. So any work orders created against this piece of equipment, we will know where it is and how many work orders are required to complete. That's including submitted and preventive maintenance. It is assigned to one of our staff personnel, and we can find that on the map view. So the map uses GPS from Gomax mobile. So if we look at assigned assets, we know where all of our assets are and who they've been assigned to. So this asset is clearly now in Winnipeg, and I'll click on it. And it is assigned to myself because I have turned on the GPS locator on my cell phone, on my Android. And that's how we use the GPS location for assets. So if I take this truck now and drive it to, let's say, Chicago, you will see the marker and the work order. It is in Chicago. In Chicago, if I travel to even, let's say, Duluth, I can hand off the truck, which is the asset, to another maintenance personnel, and it would be located in Duluth, not Winnipeg. We also track location work orders. So in the locations, a location could be anything. It could be an office, it could be a building. So here's a location, Arsenal Park in Philadelphia. I'll open that up. So if the location does have an address, we take location addresses, convert them to GPS. And if I had a location work order assigned to me, and I was working at that location, you would see me on the map as well. So those are the two functions how we utilize the GPS and the address location, all using map coordinates for Maps Panda.